black people sell drugs. Where did they get drug from? Did African people leave Africa, come to Europe, Germany with a drug? They get drug from your peoples. Why are you arresting your people? God damn it, you are telling me that black people who are living in Germany, they are all criminals. If Germany deport anybody, if Germany move any aeroplane to Africa to deport African people, then German citizens who are living in Africa, listen to me very well, leave Africa. If you see any aeroplane that land in Africa, they say that German people are deport African people, then pack your things and go back with that aeroplane to Germany. Because if you don't do that, you are doing suicide mission. You can be dead any minute, any second. Because this is what we have to stand for, these white people now. We are not going to take any rubbish from white people now. We are tired of hearing this rubbish. We are tired of seeing our fellow black people suffering because of this white rubbish. And white people are living in Africa enjoying themselves. That's not going to happen. If any country stand and say that you don't need black people, then your people in Africa will go back to your country. They will not enjoy in Africa. They will not have peace in Africa. Really, Africa, we should remove this sympathy inside our body. Because we have so much sympathy for these white people. Now we are going to remove that sympathy from our body. We are going to stand where they stand. If they stand for wickedness, we stand on wickedness. This is what we are going to stand for white people. No more sympathy for white peoples now. If any country that try any rubbish again, the same thing to our people. What you do to our people, we will do the same thing to our people. If you kill our peoples in your country, we will kill your peoples in Africa. This is what we are going to stand for. We are not going to take rubbish from any white man now. What is this rubbish? We the black people are tired. We cannot even do anything again. If you go out, they start pointing you. Black man, they are all criminals. If you are walking on the street, they are just backbiting you anyhow. If they see you, they say black man, they are all criminals. When one black man only one black man will do some bad thing, then they will spoil all the name of all the black mans. Then they will suspect all the black mans. What kind of rubbish is this? White people, do you think you people are wise? You will be doing rubbish to black people and we will be leaving you people to be enjoying in Africa. What kind of rubbish? If any white man country stand and do any rubbish to black people now, your people who are living in Africa, we will deal with them seriously, mercilessly. We are not going to take rubbish from any white man country. Either Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Belgium, Denmark, Sweden, all these European, be ready for war. Because if you put war on our people in your country, we will put war on your people in our countries. What kind of rubbish is this? Are your people not going to Africa to steal our natural resources and take it back to your country? Who is talking about it? Rubbish. Your people are criminals. And you are saying African people are criminals. That's why you are deporting them. German government, I'm warning you. That woman who is there like a foolish somebody. Try any rubbish now. German citizens who are living in Africa, we will burn all of them with fire. We will bundle them like wood and burn them to acid. Rubbish. Nobody's going to take any rubbish from German people now. Any moment from now, if German deport any African people, even one, then all the citizens in Germany, all the citizens from Germany who are living in Africa, pack your things and go. That will be better for you, so that you can survive in your own country. But in Africa, you will not survive. Any white man country who do any rubbish to African people now, your people in Africa, they will not know peace. I'm telling you this. Me, I'm in white man country. I'm in Europe. I don't fear to say this because I'm tired of seeing black people dying for rubbish. I'm tired of seeing black people suffering. I'm tired of seeing African people dying for nonsense. When our leaders cannot have sense, men, we the youth of Africa, we are ready to stand up for Africa. We cannot take this rubbish anymore. To say I'm in your country, that means I cannot tell you what I want to tell you. No white man born of a woman can stand and tell me that I cannot say what I'm saying right now. Even if you point a gun on my head, I will say again what I say right now. Any white man country would try any rubbish now. Your people in Africa, they will not know peace. They will not know peace. We the Africans, we have so much sympathy for white people. It's enough, it's enough. We are tired. White peoples, we are tired. German, France, Denmark, Belgium, Italy, Spain, Poland. Poland, I have one Poland government. All the Poland citizens who are living in Africa, if you know you are a Polandese and you are living in Africa, pack your things and go back to Poland. Because you can be dead in any minute, in any second. This is rubbish. We will not take rubbish. Now we will pay some Africans to kill your peoples. If you kill our people in your country, we will pay some Africans to kill your people in Africa. This is what we should stand for now. If you deport our people, then we get the hell out of your people from Africa. This is what we have to stand for. White people cannot be doing nonsense to African people, and African people are sitting and still begging them. What is that? Man, it's only black people. Man, these white people, because there is no any other color. In this planet, we have only two colors. That is white and black. So white is always saying that they don't need black people in this planet. Why that? Why can't we, the black people, also stand and say that we don't need white people in this planet? I don't want to see any white man in this planet. Fucking white man. I don't want to see any white man in this planet. I want to see all white people dead in this planet. If white people are standing saying that they don't want to see any black man in this planet, what kind of rubbish is that? Our color, did we make it ourselves? God who fucking created you, the same God that created me. So God did me a color, and the color, you like the color, but you can't get the color now. You have to jealous African people because they have black color. These white people who are getting sick every fucking day because their body is just like a plastic. And you people are standing saying there you don't need black people. What can you do without black people? Without African people, can white people survive? Let us, all of us, stand on our own. Let all the continents in the world stand on their own. China, stand on your own. America, stand on your own. Asia, stand on your own. European people, stand on your own. Then Africa, stand on its own. Let's see who will die first. You will see all this, China, Europe, United States, they will all die and leave Africa in this planet. Because if you see all these people are surviving today, it's because of Africa. Without Africa, America will not survive, and Asia and China and Europe here. All of them will not survive. They are all surviving from Africa. They are sucking the blood of Africans. That's why they are surviving. If they are not sucking the blood of Africans, they will not survive. What kind of rubbish is this? If you go to any European country, black people like this, black people do this, black people are criminal, black people are terrorists. Man, if I hear this rubbish in any news, that country will be ready. Because all your people who are living in Africa, we will fucking bundle them and pack it to your country. Let's stand like that now. We the Africans, we are ready. I'm telling all European countries, be ready. If you want to deport Africans, be ready to receive your people. Either you receive them alive or you receive them dead. This is what we have to stand for. If you kill our peoples, we will kill all the white peoples in Africa. We don't care. Man, if European people say they don't care to kill black people for nonsense, we the black people, we are not care to kill white people in Africa for nonsense. We have too much sympathy for you people. We have been waiting for so long to see whether you people, whether white people will get their senses back. But we are seeing that every fucking day they are behaving like animals. White people, every fucking day they are behaving like animals. Their stupidness is going high. So now all of us are going to be stupid. Stupid plus stupid, let all of us be idiots. If white people behave idiots, we will behave idiots. If they behave stupid, we will behave stupid. If they behave like criminals, we will behave like criminals. Now there is no sympathy for white man. Because this thing, now it come to an end. We have to put stop to this. African people, we have to put stop to this rubbish. It's too much now. What does African people to do to these people? We are the people, African people are the people who should be angry, killing white people like animals. Because they have used our forefathers in 5,000 years ago. They have used our forefathers as slaves. We are the people who should be angry, killing white people like animals. Because if you read the story of Africa, you get angry. You will not even want to see white man. When we know all these things, we are just sitting because we want to make peace. White people still don't give up. They still want to use us as slaves. As if that is not enough. They are still killing African people with nonsense. As if that is not enough. They are deporting them like anyhow. Any country that try any rubbish now, German are warning you people. France, Italy, Spain, Belgium, Denmark, Poland, that is fucking Poland. I'm warning you people. Any European country try any rubbish now, your people who is living in Africa will try rubbish with them. If you do rubbish to African people, if Italy try do rubbish to African people, Italians who are living in Africa, we will do rubbish to you people. If German try do rubbish to African people, the same thing. Any country who try now, the same thing we will do to your people is in Africa. You people, your people are full in Africa. White people are full in Africa. This is rubbish. African leaders, I count you people out because I'm not thinking of leaders in Africa. We don't have any leader in Africa. We are foolish people, we call them leaders. Which leaders? Leaders who don't get sense. Leaders who use their people as slaves. Leaders who is selling their peoples. Leaders who are not thinking well. What kind of rubbish is that? White people, we are tired. We the black people are tired of hearing rubbish always and seeing rubbish always. We are tired. Now when you kill our people in your country, any white country try to kill black man, that country people will kill you, will kill your people in Africa. This is what we stand on. I say it and I will repeat it every time. When I come live video, I will be repeating it. Any white man country who try to kill black man in your country for rubbish, we will kill your people, your citizen people in Africa. This is what we will stand for. If you kill our people with gun in Europe here, or you take them to prison and kill them there with medicine, with poison, we will hang your people. We the African people, we know how to kill people slowly. Because we are very dangerous. Just that we need peace. We are waiting for so long to make peace with you people. But you people are not still, white people are not still getting sense. Every day their stupidity is going high. Foolish people. You are telling me you don't need black people in your country because black people are terrorists. When a Poland man go to Germany and bomb a church, they say it's Muslims. When Poland is hiding that secret, now Poland government is coming out telling me that they don't need black people in African people in Poland because all Africans are criminals. I'm tired of hearing this rubbish, and I don't want to hear this rubbish again. Because any country government, France, you people should be ready. Because France, we will start with France. All the French citizens who are living in Africa, we will start it with you people. To kill you people one by one. Then that's the time France government will get sense. Macron, that's the time Macron will get sense. Because Macron also want to behave like Donald Trump. Foolish people. You think you are wise when you don't know that you are stupid. What kind of rubbish is this? White people, we cannot hear anything. Every time black people like this. When the black people do small thing, they post it on their TV. All their newspapers, they post it within 1 second. But when white man kill a black man, they hide that one. No matter how you find that news, you cannot see that news. It's through internet or on TV. We are tired. No mercy. We are tired. We are tired. We are tired of hearing rubbish from white people now. I want all white people to listen to me very well. Because this video, I want it to go viral for white people to see it. Because we are tired now. Any rubbish they try, we tried with their people in Africa. Now we are not going to take mercy. No mercy for the merciless. If they say they are merciless, we will not have mercy for them. Because that's the proverb. No mercy for the merciless. Man, we are not going to be sitting. Indian people are killing African people like shit. Chinese people have started killing African people like we are nobody. If you go to America, how many black people, American people have killed? That is uncountable. If you come to Italy, how many? No. Not long ago, a Nigerian boy killed himself because Italy refused to give him document when he was in Italy here for 6 years. He was living in Italy here for 6 years. He got to commission, they give him negative. And he locked a house on himself, kill himself. Because it's painful, my brother. You are living in a country without seeing your father and your mother and your family. You are living there for 6 years. They come tell you that you get negative. And we all know what did negative mean. When Italy give you negative, you have to try your best for another 6 years to have document. Wait for another 6 years or 7 years. So he cannot keep the pain, he kill himself. All those kind of rubbish, Italy government, they think that people are foolish. And I will come for Italy government. My next video, I will come for Italy government. I will speak only Italian. Because I want all Italians to hear what I'm saying. Rubbish people. You cannot be doing rubbish to African and you still want... Man, let us keep it like this. Now, European people, white people, all the white people in the planet, sign this in your table. Any rubbish you try with African people, we will do the same rubbish to your citizen people in Africa. We will do the same rubbish to your people who are living in Africa. If you kill African in your country for rubbish, we will kill your people the same way you kill our peoples. If you lock our people in prison because of rubbish, we will lock your people in prison. We don't have prison. We have to kidnap your peoples. Because I know our government will not do it. So we will do it by ourselves. To kidnap your people and keep them in the bush. Let them die there. We don't care. If you white people think that they are the people who don't care, we don't care about white people. Let me tell white people about this. If white people think they don't care about black people, we the black people, we don't fucking care about white peoples. So if you try any rubbish, the same rubbish to our people. I'm in Europe here. If any white man don't like this topic, meet me. What kind of rubbish is this? African do this, African criminal, African this. Man, sometimes if I go on the road, I cannot even understand anything. I cannot even know what to do. Black people like this, black people criminal. Sometimes you will go to some office to do some important thing. You will see they will be suspecting you, whether you are a criminal. They will be suspecting you. Sometimes you will go to a bar. When you sit on a table, you will see everybody will run from that side. When a white man go to Africa, when a white people, when they go to Africa, when they go to a bar, you see everybody come near them. Because we keep them as important people. You see, everybody will want to see this white man. But when a black man, when you go to a bar in Europe here, they run away from you. Because they think that you have a bomb, you want to bomb the place. White, stupid white people. Foolish, ignorant, and illiterate peoples. Hey, white people, we have been waiting for you people for so long. Now we are tired. We can't wait for you people to get sense anymore. We can't wait for it. Because we are waiting, we are sitting and waiting. Whether you people will have sense. Whether you people will recover your senses back. But we have realized that now, you people doesn't born with senses. You born senselessly. You come to this planet senselessly, so you can't get sense anymore. So now, we the African people, we are going to behave senselessly towards you people. Let's see what will happen. I'm going to stop my life here. Till next time, I thank everybody who watched me. This is me, Pandi Micah. I stand for Africa till I die. I always fight for Africa. I don't care who love me, who don't love me, but I stand for Africa. I don't stand for one country in Africa. I stand for whole Africa because I'm an African. I'm from Africa. And what is happening to Africans, I hate it. I don't like it. So I want people to share this video. Let this video reach to the governments of European people. Let them see it. Let them listen to me. I'm the one who say this. Now we have no mercy for each other. If you have mercy for my people, we have mercy for your people in Africa. If you are devilish to our people in Europe, we will be devilish to our people in Africa. This is what we have to stand for. Then goodbye, everybody. I will say I thank everybody who watched me. And I thank you people so much for your support and your courage. People who comment, people who thanks me. I thank you people so much. Because you people are the people who give me a courage to stand and say some words, you know. When you have Africans.